Check me out. Check me out. Boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom. Pow.
Baby, want no smoke with me. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. Yeah.
Welcome back, my beautiful babes. It's JaterraBrown. If you don't know, then you know. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are almost at 50K subscribers, so be sure to do that. And check my description box to follow me on all my social media, so you can be more involved in what I post here on YouTube. So I know all of my naturalistas are probably out there screaming at me through the screen like, don't you dare straighten those beautiful curls. But look, sis, let me give you the rundown. I probably have not had my ends clipped since high school, which is very, very bad. I know. And I haven't straightened my hair since like second year of college, so it's really about that time. So right here, I'm just showing you the products that I use to wash my hair. And now I'm just going to get into the blow drying process, so I don't have to really, you know, tell y'all. You can watch me on the screen to see what I'm doing, but I really wanted to straighten my hair just to do a length check, you know. I know that my hair has grown a lot. Oh, and here are the products also that I use before blow drying. If you are doing this at home, please use a heat protector. You know, I don't have one. I looked for one. I didn't have a serum to use, you know, like a silk serum or anything. I didn't have anything. So just to make sure that my hair was I'm weak. Just to make sure that my hair was moisturized, I use coconut oil. I don't even suggest that y'all use this because it weighed my hair down a lot once it was straightened. But I use coconut oil, and I use a leave-in detangling mist from Curl's Daughter, just to give my hair some moisture as I'm putting all this heat on my hair. Do not blow dry and straighten your hair with nothing on your hair, because it's just gonna make it brittle and break right off. So that's all I'm doing. But anyways, back to what I was saying. I really wanted to clip my ends because I wanted to do a length check. And you know, while you're doing your natural hair journey, you want to keep up with your progress. So also, here's my little tip for blow drying. If you want to get your hair real smooth, you got to get a bristle brush, girl. Yes, the bristle brushes do the job, okay? Or if you want your hair to be curled at the ends, you can use those rounded brushes. But I don't really like that look. I was going for the straight look. But anyway, so yeah, I'm straightening my hair because, for one, length check. 2, need to trim my ends. 3, my hair needed to be straight for a protective style that y'all will see in my next video. So don't come for me because I'm straightening my hair, and this is the last time I'll straighten my hair. The next time I'll straighten my hair will probably be like next year. So yeah, and those are my tips and tricks for detangling your hair and keeping your hair moisturized as you blow dry. Now I'm gonna be quiet so y'all can watch the video in peace.
On the dot, I hit my cell phone. Like, cash, what's up? What is me on?
Okay, y'all, so now it's time to straighten. Just to let you know, I have no idea where this flat iron is from. It's my grandmother's. The only settings that are on there is a H for high, L for low, and a mist or a steam setting where you can actually lift up part of the flat iron and pour oil in it. But that's giving stringy hair, and I don't like that, so I didn't use that part of the flat iron. But just use whatever flat iron you want to straighten your hair. Also, today I will be doing the chase method. The chase method is just flat ironing your hair with a vertical comb really near the plates, so you make sure that every hair gets straightened and it smooths it out. I also go over my roots a couple of times before pressing my hair out, and I only pass the flat iron on my hair twice. That's it, and that's all, because I do not want no heat damage, okay? I'm going to do that all over my head, and then I'll come back when it's time to clip my ends. One, two, three, let's go. Intended or Dennis. I decide when I'm finished. He decide who can send it. Eat this pussy like spinach. On the way to the dentist. I ain't never leaving my. She a Okay, you guys, so in my opinion, when it comes to clipping your ends, I don't know how to do it professionally, but this is just how I do it. I like to comb my hair out and look at wherever my hair is starting to thin out at, and that's where I want to clip my ends. So this is where I decided to cut. I just took some regular hair scissors that was in my house, nothing fancy, and I just cut right across. Like I said, I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's how I did it, and this is the amount of hair that I cut off. I probably could have went up a little bit further, but that's what I decided to do today. So yeah, for me, it's not about length, it's about healthiness. Don't nobody got time for them raggedy ass ends. And my hair looked really, really healthy after that. So I really like it. So also what I decided to do is trim my hair at the half mark. So you can see that I trimmed half of my hair before I went and flat ironed the rest of it, because I'm using that half of my hair in the back as a guide to where I need to cut my hair at the front. My hair at the front is not as long as the hair in the back, so doing this process this way made it much easier to cut my hair in the front because I already knew what to do. Alright, you guys, so everything is flat ironed, everything is cut, I'm looking good, and now it's time to do my edges. I do not suggest using Got2b, okay? It is a water-based gel, and it literally made my edges revert back to its natural state a little bit, so I had to go back and fix that by using some Shining Jam. Luckily, it didn't make my hair curl up too much, but yeah, use something that's not going to take your hair back to its natural state. And then after that, my edges love to, I don't know if it's because my hair is too soft in the front or what, but my edges love to mess up as soon as I do them. So I sprayed my hair with some Got2b spray so everything could stay in place, and then I put a silk scarf on my hair while I was doing my makeup so everything could stay in place and come together. But you guys, I'm so excited. Like, this is the longest my hair has ever been, so I'm super excited that I did this lunch check because I didn't even know my hair had grown to that state. Being a black girl that used to have perms and went through a transitioning stage, you know, my hair has never really gone past my shoulders. So, you know, next up is bra strap length, and I can't wait to flat iron my hair in the future, like a year or two from now, to check on the progress. So yeah, I'm excited and I hope y'all enjoyed this video or whatever. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so I don't know, was my camera crooked this entire time, y'all? And y'all didn't tell me. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm done straightening my hair, went and beat my face, and this is the final result. I will say that coconut oil, honey, it weighed my hair down a lot. I never straightened my hair. I only did it because I really needed to cut my ends. But when I used to straighten my hair, like in middle school and like 9th and 10th grade of high school, I wouldn't put products in my hair because I liked how airy it made my hair when it was straight. And that's how I like my hair to be, like airy and full of life still. And this is very much so weighed down. But my hair is very healthy. It feels really good. It feels so moisturized, it don't make no damn sense. And I love it. And my hair has grown so much. That's crazy. I didn't even know that my hair was this long. Look at me touching it and whatnot. It's cute. It's cute or whatever. I look like a different person. But anyways, y'all don't be frying y'all hair, okay? If you're natural, don't be frying your hair. It's not worth it. My roots have not started to curl back up yet, but let me take a stroll to the mailbox outside and I will come back and I bet you my hair is going to be poofy. But yeah, I'm only doing this because for one, like I said, I want to straighten my ends, and for two, I'll be doing a sleek style that y'all will see very, very soon in like the next video that I upload. But yeah, I like it. It's cute. It's the final result or whatever. Cool little lip check. You know, we got ways to go because I want my hair down to my butt. So we got ways to go, honey. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all got some information that was needed. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what video you want to see from me next. And without further ado, I'm gonna stop touching my hair and I'm gonna wrap this video, okay? Bye, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Mwah.
I know I'm not tired. They've been talking about the way I do it. Why you? They heard I was good. They wanna see if it's true. They know you're